I run four companies, I don't know which one will survive. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why that's not a failure. It's a strategy. One that solo developers are using to make millions right now. Most founders bet everything on one product. They spend 12 months building in the dark, then they launch. And here's silence. I almost became that founder. Here is what I did instead. 15 years, that's how long I have been building a software. Started as a developer, PHP, WordPress, whatever the client needed. Eventually, I built an agency, Xfinitive. I spent years on the service business roller coaster. Clients comes, client goes, revenue goes up, revenue disappear. You know the cycle if you have been this industry long enough. October 2025, my biggest client walked. Revenue dropped overnight. I had 9 engineers, 9 people depending on me. I didn't fire a single one. Instead, I asked myself, if this ship is sinking, what's the lifeboat? And the answer wasn't another client, it was products. So I built 4 things at the same time. AskX, an AI chatbot trained on your own data, social agent, AI agents that research, write, and post your social content, WP Scale Ops, WordPress maintenance and scaling for enterprise sites, and Xfinitive, custom software and AI solution for your businesses. Now, I know what you are thinking. The same thing my friends told me, Sufyan, you are scattered. Pick one, focus. They are wrong because here is what they don't understand. This is not scattered, this is a strategy. There is a solo developer named Mark Lu. He builds micro SaaS products, ship fast, code fast, data fast, a portfolio of over a dozen tools. He crossed $1 million in total revenue in 2025. Peter Levels does the same thing. Photo AI, remote OK, interior AI, $3 million a year, 0 employees. These are not outliers. They are early adopter of a strategy that AI has made possible. Build multiple small products, watch which one gets traction, double down on the winner, sunset the rest. But here is the thing. This is not just a strategy anymore. In this AI era, nothing is stable. The market shifts every few months. What worked last year stops working without warning. If you put everything into one product and wait, you are not being patient, you are being exposed. One shift and everything you build becomes irrelevant overnight. So I'm not guessing, I'm building 4 paths. Whichever one the market walks forward, I follow. The logic is simple. I don't know which product the market wants, and neither do you with yours. The only honesty in business is what people pay for. Everything else is a guess. Now, building products, that's the skill I already had. The hard part, learning to sell them. Quick pause. If you are a founder, a CTO running an agency, and you are watching the market shift in real time, hit subscribe. I'm building these 4 companies in public. Every system, every mistake, every lesson, it's going on this channel. Don't miss it. Here is what nobody warns you about when you switch from services to products. Building is easy, selling is hard. Building the system, that part I can do in my sleep. After 15 years, I know how to architect a system. I know how to scale infrastructure so 100,000 plus users don't crash the server. I know how to structure code so it doesn't turn into spaghetti in 6 months. That's muscle memory. That's not a challenge. The challenge, the thing I had to learn from absolute zero was how to sell. I read Hormozy, I read Kavan, I read Subi. I spent months learning marketing and sales. Not because I wanted to, because building system doesn't matter if nobody buys. And here is the shift that changed everything for me. Don't innovate, validate. I stopped trying to invent something new. I am not competing with OpenAI or any giants. I don't need to. I looked at what's already working, what competitors are already earning from. If 90% of competitors in a market are profitable, the market is real. Your job is not to invent, it's to execute better. Now my process is research first, validate the idea with real people, build minimal version, test it, then invest in full development. Too many founders build for 12 months in the dark. They launch, nobody shows up. I used to be that founder. Never again. Building is my skill, selling is what I had to learn. But there is a bigger shift happening right now, and most people are getting it completely wrong. AI changed everything, and most people are hearing the wrong message from both sides. One side says software engineers are dead, AI will replace 90% of the developers by 2030. The other side says AI is just hype, nothing has really changed. Both are wrong, and both are dangerous. AI can write code faster than any human. It can build an MVP in a weekend, something that used to take 3 months. That part is real. That part is incredible. profitable. But AI cannot architect a system that survives 100,000 plus concurrent users. It cannot understand your specific business logic. It cannot make the judgment calls that comes from 15 years of watching things break at 3 a.m. and knowing exactly where to look at. The developers who refuse to use AI, they will get left behind. The founders who think AI replaces everything, they will build something that collapses at scale, and then they will call someone like me to fix it. AI is a tool, system thinking is irreplaceable. So where does all of this leave us? Let me show you what comes next. Here is what most people miss. The market is not dying, it's reorganizing. And the people who understand the middle ground, systems thinking plus AI, those are the ones who win the next 5 years. I am building all four of these companies in public: AskX, Social Agent, WP Scale Ops, Exfinitive. Every system I figure out, every failure I walk into, every lesson I learned hard way, it's all going on this channel. If you are a founder trying to scale, a CTO trying to use AI without breaking everything, an agency owner thinking about building products, this channel is for you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. The next video is about something costing businesses real money right now. AI chatbot that lie to your customer. Most chatbot don't say, I don't know. They guess, they hallucinate, they cost you sales. I built one that doesn't. I will show you exactly how right here.